Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the default font style in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here many font. The default font is Calibri. Now we go to the file menu and create a new blank workbook and check the font. We can see here the font is Calibri and the size is 11. Now we want to change the default font style. Go to the file menu and open the open option menu, then go to the general option and we can see here the font. You can change this default font. Now I am select any font. Now I am select the Arial black, then change the font size, increase the size. Now I am make the font size 16. You can see the view. Now I am click OK and again click OK, then write anything. Now we can see we change the default font style easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.